Happy Wednesday, Michael. So it's come to my attention, Michael, that you're going to give me some sort of Merry Christmas debt relief program. Who do you think you are, Obama? You can't free me from debt. I need to earn my way back. And so, at your little contemptuous offering of friendship and love, I deny you that, sir. Although this is technically a video, and by the standards that you gave me, that's kind of fulfills the agreement if I do not manage to make another video before the next timeline, then I'll just cash in on that. That's a pretty sweet deal, thank you. But if I do make another video, then I don't need this. I don't need your forgiveness. I'm gonna edit that out. In all reality, Michael, thank you for the offer, but I'm gonna earn my way back. I owe you 5 videos. 5 videos you shall receive. The first one being tomorrow night. But tomorrow's Thursday, John. I know. Going to start a whole new era for Universally Random. It's gonna be good times. See you then, Muggle-Fuggle. Sorry, so Muggle-Fuggle's this thing that my professor said today. He was like, Muggle-Fuggles, and I was like, it's like a Harry Potter swear. It's great. No, this is serious. So serious that the fez is coming off. You, sir, have been challenged. No, you haven't been challenged. I was just... I'll see you tomorrow, Michael.